A devotee may pray for a flower, Krishna may give him a cactus. A devotee may pray for a butterfly, but Krishna may give him a cocoon. So what is he expecting? He is expecting two things. So when you get a cocoon, what you are supposed to do? Be patient. With patience, the cocoon will become butterfly. Similarly, when you get a cactus, what you are supposed to do? Again, along with patience, keep endeavoring. And with your endeavor, very soon the cactus will give a very, very beautiful flower. Cactus flower is very beautiful. I have seen cactus flowers. They are very beautiful. So two things, patience and endeavor. So initially God's gift may appear to be like cocoon or cactus. They may not appear like this smart.